river, flowing quiet through the land. Sky reflections softly shiver as the morning takes its stand. Roots remember, leaves are learning, winds are whispering again. Every step across this crossing feels like breathing once again. Awaken me, let the sunlight fill my soul. Reshape me through every shadow, every meadow. Let the harmony grow. And quiet highways where the steel meets branch and stone, we are walking through tomorrow, never truly on our own. Every spark from human hands meets the rhythm of the rain, and the bridge between the ages starts to sing again. Illuminate me, let the earth reclaim it all. Embrace me from deep foundation to sky's creation. Pure connection calls. I don't wanna give in, I wanna feel the river flow. Are we losing our past, or helping it grow? Stone and metal, cloud and tree, meet in quiet unity. What was broken starts to bend, what was ending learns to mend. Through the air, the light, the rain, will be whole again. Every road, each step we know, leads where future rivers go. And when the last light fades away, the stars will build a brighter way. For every heart that dares to grow becomes the bridge for all below. For all below. There's a bridge above the river, holding stories in the steel. Cars are rushing, lights are burning, wheels keep turning, never still. Beneath the ground, the metro singing, carrying lives from night to day. But there's no road for the riders, no place for bikes to find their way. Over Topo Bridge you carry us home, through the city veins where we all roam. Walking, driving, trains below, but no path for wheels that slowly go. Halfway closed under heavy skies, still we cross you, broken yet alive. Workers hammer, sparks are flying, concrete breathing, old and warm. Pedestrians keep on trying, through the chaos we are torn. Dreams of cycles on your shoulders, never written in the plan. Still we're waiting for the future to make you whole again. Oh, over Topo Bridge you carry us home, through the city veins where we all roam. Walking, driving, trains below, but no path for wheels that slowly go. Halfway closed under heavy skies, still we cross you, broken yet alive. Every step is echo in the past, every engine prays the fix will last. One connection holding north and south, one strong voice without a mouth. Fight over Topo Bridge